Welcome back, Excel chicks. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn your PC into an SQL server using Microsoft SQL Server 2022. Step 1, we're going to go to Microsoft.com. Link is in the description, and we're going to download the Developer Edition. Once that downloads, you're going to click on your SQL Server installation file, and you'll see that it's going to open the SQL Developer Edition. Click Custom, click Install. Once that's installed, you're going to have our SQL Server Installation Center. You're going to click on Installation. And then you're going to click on New SQL Server Standalone Installation. Ensure that Developer is selected under Specify a Free Edition, and then click Next. Once you get to license terms, I do encourage everybody to read through license terms before you accept the license terms. If you accept them, click Accept and click Next. All right, we have our install rules. Click Next. On this screen, we're going to uncheck Azure extension for SQL Server and go ahead and click Next. And then under Feature Selection, select Database Engine Services and click Next. In our instance configuration, I'm going to name my instance Excel Chicks. You can see once you tab out of that, it changes your instance ID to match what you've put in your named instance. Click Next. Click Next again. And in this screen, this is where we are going to specify our users. I have set up my user using Windows Authentication mode. I just got an error right here at my SQL Server setup, and that is because I need to add my current user as the admin. So I would click Add Current User, and this will add a user as you are specified in your PC. Click Next. And on this screen, we're now ready to install. Click Install. Now you're going to buckle in for a long install process. And I'm going to speed this up for the video. All right, it looks like it's finally installed. We get our install successful notice. We're going to click Close. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to need to install our SQL Server Management Studio. Select Install SQL Server Management Studio. It will take you to a download site hosted by Microsoft. Go ahead and scroll down that page and click on Free Download for SQL Server Management Studio. And you can see up here in the top right, the file is downloading. So once that downloads, you're going to select that install file. Let's go ahead and click Install. And we'll wait while we install the package. Just know that in the background, I have substantially sped up this process. So do not be alarmed if you're following along and it takes your installation much longer. Setup is complete. Click Close. And now we're going to search and open the SQL Management Studio. Just go ahead and leave the default as Database Engine and then enter your server name. And I've entered the server name that we created, Excel Chicks, and click Connect. Congratulations, you are now connected to your very own SQL server on your PC. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, Excel Chicks.